The interior on BMW E and F-Chassis models is absolutely timeless. It blends together the perfect amount of sophistication as well as modern design. But one specific part in this interior looks outdated compared to all of the modern tech of this generation. And many owners complain that the gauge cluster simply is outdated and doesn't display enough information. So in today's video, we'll be upgrading our F-Chassis gauge cluster to a fully digital display, which features multiple themes and options that really let us fine-tune our driving experience. And so the first thing we need to do to remove the factory gauges is locate the two torque screws that are located right above the tachometer and our RPM gauge. And so to give us enough clearance to remove the old cluster, we'll have to unlock the steering wheel latch and pull the steering wheel as much as you can down and out toward you. And now once done, we'll re-lock the steering wheel in this new position. And now with enough clearance, we can simply tilt our old gauges forward while we ensure that we unlock the tabs at the bottom of the dashboard. And usually this will require you to wiggle them around quite a bit. And now we'll simply tilt the gauge cluster sideways so we can access the connectors on the back of it. And on other BMW models, you generally will have somewhere between 1 and 3 electrical connectors, but on this BMW F-Chassis, we only have 2 that we need to remove. So we'll simply depress the retention tab on the side of the first connector, which houses our optical cable. And you typically don't need any tools to do this, simply press it in with your thumb. And another cool detail that we can see is that the optical cable is actually flashing red because we didn't disconnect the battery, because I really wanted to show you how cool this looks when it's transmitting data. But I'd highly recommend that you disconnect your battery if you're doing this yourself. And now that gives us room to remove our second connector, which we'll simply depress down in the middle and slide it out of place. And now with our electrical connectors removed, we can simply slide the old factory gauge cluster out, and we'll grab the top of it and carefully slide it over the steering wheel so it doesn't scratch up the leather. And just like that, it's now fully removed. And now it's time to slide in our new fully digital gauge cluster into position. And now this upgrade typically comes in 2 pieces. You'll have the first half, which is the display, and the outer bezel comes separately because you install it in the final steps. You can see here that the outer bezel simply latches onto the gauge cluster, but we won't be installing it all as one piece. We'll latch everything up at the end when the new digital gauge cluster is installed. And now on this F30, and this includes many other models too, we'll have this small electrical connector that we do need to install to the outer bezel later on. So this here is how the entire unit will look once it's actually in the vehicle. But for now, what we're going to do is simply slide in the digital gauge cluster, and you will go 1/2 at a time. Don't try to jam the entire thing into the dashboard because it won't fit. So you can see that I tilted in the right half first, and once it's positioned inside the dashboard cutout, we can go ahead and get those electrical connectors into place. So these connectors can only install in one way, so we'll simply slide them in and push it down until it fully latches. And now we can grab that outer bezel, and what we'll do is latch the bottom portion into the dashboard. And now we can start to install that outer bezel. So we'll simply slide it into the dash cutout, and don't forget to reconnect that small electrical connector that routes from the actual gauge cluster. And now once all 3 of those connectors are installed, we'll simply start to push back on the top of the bezel while we use our other fingers to grab the prongs of the cluster and make everything meet up. And now those gauge cluster prongs should all snap together and everything will be fully flush at the top. And what you want to do is actually massage around at the bottom because those clips won't always latch the first go around. So make sure that everything snaps together and is fully flush around the perimeter. And now we can go ahead and refasten those 2 T15 retention screws that hold everything into the actual dash. And once we reconnect the battery, we can power on the vehicle. And just like that, we have our brand new fully digital display. And this upgrade looks absolutely breathtaking. And because of the size of the F-Chassis stock gauge cluster, this display is absolutely massive and truly makes our vehicle's interior look years newer. And on top of looking breathtaking and transforming the interior, our new gauge cluster is going to feed us a vast amount of information that we didn't have before. We can view coolant temps, oil levels, active miles per hour, set maintenance intervals, check battery voltage, and do a ton of other things that we couldn't do in the first place. And so for all of you who have a BMW E or F chassis, I highly recommend each and every one of you snag this upgrade. It takes 2 seconds to install, and it truly will make you re-fall in love with the car all over again. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.